You got a calling on your life.
I feel so blessed to be here.
You got to hold on to your faith.
You're on with Empowered Women. How can we empower you today?
Don't forget, God had big plans for you way before Anita did. Our focus used to be about single moms, but now it's about promos.
All you care about is the brand.
I'm your agent.
You're my husband. Meet your new bodyguard.
Taking care of you is more than just a job. It's my pleasure.
I'm being blackmailed. Your sins have separated you from your God. Isaiah 59:2.
Who know about us?
Reps like this rarely come with just one warning.
You think I don't notice you've been slipping away?
Dad, please don't. I'm trusting me, Cassie. Sorry. I refuse to keep living afraid. No matter what it costs.
Thou Shalt Not Commit Adultery. Premieres Saturday, June 6th at 8. Only on Lifetime.